We installed this tennis court for a private residence in Belle Terre, New York. The asphalt was installed on 6 inches of oversized recycled concrete and 4 inches of finer state-approved crushed concrete, and then 2 layers of asphalt. We bordered the tennis court with a charcoal border for the perimeter and a running bond border in a multicolors of grays. We kept the paint of the tennis court 4 inches away from the very edge of the asphalt. We used DecoTurf paint specifically made for sports courts. We used a darker green for the outer perimeter and a navy blue for the center of the tennis court, and striped with the white lines. We fenced the whole tennis court with out-of-bounds netting, much softer look than chain link. We used 3 inches power-coated posts, 12 foot high. We installed a regulation tennis netting. The post for the tennis netting are adjustable. They can be extended to be able to play volleyball or badminton. On one side we installed the Dominator basketball hoop, adjustable, 72 inches professional hoop, all made out of aluminum. Gapsi is a dealer, and we also have them displayed at the Gapsi showroom. This property is right on the water in Belle Terre. It's the last house, the very end of the road. This is the latest sports court built by Gapsi in Belle Terre, New York.